Man, that's good. Come on now. I'm back with another meal that I've been having on repeat. This is a chicken meal, and man, I gotta share this one with you. Now, I already went shopping for all the ingredients. I went to Walmart, got all the ingredients, and now I'm gonna make it for you. And you have to try this one. Give this one a shot. You won't be disappointed on this one. It is so good. Two options you can use. I do use chicken, so you can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. Now, this time I'm gonna use chicken thighs. So I'm gonna go ahead and use these. Chicken thighs, man, they taste so good. If you haven't tried them, give them a shot. They have a little more flavor than chicken breast. Chicken breast can be more dry, but either way, we're gonna make these taste good because I'm gonna show you the ingredients you're gonna use. It is so good. Okay, first up, if you want to, you can use olive oil, or you can use avocado oil, or any type of spray if you want to do that. But really, with chicken thighs, they cook so good as it is. All I do is cook it in a little as kettle and fire bone broth. This is the chicken one. I know in my beef videos I use a lot of beef broth, but this is the chicken one. So find this, use this. All you need to do is put these jokers in the pan, add a little bit of that, and you're good to go. Of course, you got to have the Frank's Red Hot. You get this. I get the big jug at Walmart. Get this. H-E-B has it. Kroger has it. All the stores have it. So definitely get you some Frank's Red Hot. You're going to be using it. I've used it in plenty of my videos. Keep this in stock. You'll use it all the time. Whatever type of tortilla you want to use, there's a 0 carb. This is perfect for keto. If you're a keto diet, you can use something like this. If you want to roll with the lettuce wrap, these are great. Okay. If you want a little more crunch, use these. These are a great option as well. And I'll show you what I'm gonna do with this cream cheese real quick here in a little bit. Let's go ahead and get this chicken cooking because man, I'm getting hungry. Let's get it going. Come on. This chicken popping like crazy. Let's go ahead and add some. Just want to show you what it looks like. We're gonna add a little bit of this kettle and fire. And it's gonna give it some more flavor. It's gonna help it cook a little better. Woo, buddy, come on now. Look at that. You don't even have to salt and pepper this because you're gonna put that Frank's Red Hot on top. You can salt and pepper if you want, if that's how you want to roll. But I'm gonna just leave it like this. I'm gonna let that side cook. I'll probably flip again, and then I'm gonna add that Frank's Red Hot. Boom, I'm gonna add some of that, and you're almost ready to go. All right, this chicken's on and popping. Let's see, ooh, buddy. Let's go ahead and flip. Man, gotta stand back on this one. Gotta stand back on this one. Come on now. All right, now we're gonna hit it with the Frank's. Make sure each little chicken gets some love. There it is. Pro tip, do not make this wearing a white shirt or anything white, because this joker will splatter all over the place. Let's go ahead and cover that up for a few minutes. Then we're gonna flip, and it's gonna be ready. All right, one thing I want you to do before you take that chicken off, go ahead and heat the tortilla up on there. Bam, drop it on there for a minute or two. Well, actually not for a minute, just put it on there for probably about 20 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. It doesn't take too long. What you're gonna do is you're just heating the tortilla up so that it has that flavor on the other side. If you put the top on, it's gonna put that flavor on the top side too. So go ahead and do that. Go ahead. Ooh, buddy, look at that. All right, we're gonna take that joke off. It's gonna be hot. You need to watch, it's gonna be hot. You're gonna burn yourself. So be careful on that. And I'll take this chicken off and cut it up. All right, we ready, look at that. Boy, we're gonna take this chicken out. Now, this is about 10 ounces of chicken. So you don't have to eat all this at once. Ooh, buddy, look at that. Now let's cut this up. What you're gonna do, you're just gonna cut it up a little bit. Look at that. Ooh, man, smells great. And like I said, use chicken thighs. And man, oh man, it's just juicy, ready to go. I mean, look, let me show you something. Look at that. See that? Boy, that is gonna be serious in this tortilla. Now, like I said, you can do tortilla or you can do that lettuce wrap there if you don't want to fool with the tortilla. That's okay too. However you want to do it. Just go ahead and cut all this up. Now, you're probably not gonna use all this chicken unless you make 2 of those big wraps. So if you're making it for the family, or you want to make one for now, one for later. But I'm telling you, this stuff, man, gosh, it smells so good. Just cut it up however small you want. It's already ready to go. The chicken doesn't take long to cook. And it's got tons of flavor. It's already got a lot of flavor from the chicken thigh itself, but then it's got a lot of flavor from that Frank's Red Hot over there. So what we're gonna do, Oh, let me show you something real quick. I remember I had that cream cheese. What I did, I just measured out 1 tablespoon. I'm just gonna use that and I'm gonna put that on the tortilla. Slide this over here. So just go ahead and put on a tortilla. Now what I did with the cream cheese is I left it out while it was cooking. So what that's gonna do, that's just gonna let it soften up a little bit. Oops. Spread that joker out on there. And all this is gonna do is just give it much more flavor. I'm using the less fat cream cheese. You can use the full fat if you want to. It's no big deal. Spread it out all over. Yeah, buddy. This is about to go down. Check this out. And that's it, guys. That is it. You're just gonna fill that tortilla up however much you want. Put it in there. Now, if you have it in stock, go get some hot honey. I'm telling you, this hot honey goes great on everything. Put a little hot honey on there. Just drizzle a little bit. Ooh, buddy. Come on now. Look at that. Oh, man, this smells so good. Look at that. You cannot beat that, all right? All right, so here it is. Look, man, you got chicken thighs. You have buffalo sauce. You got a carb-free tortilla. If that's how you need to roll, if you're on keto, perfect for a keto diet. And what I did is I put a little cream cheese. See that cream cheese there? Put some cream cheese on the tortilla, gives it much more flavor. This right here, you gotta try this. It is so easy to make. I made it in minutes, okay? So make sure you go get the chicken, whichever chicken you wanna use, chicken breast, chicken thighs, whichever one you wanna use, but make sure you check and see if it's gonna be on sale, because whenever it's on sale, you gotta grab them, okay? So, but man, I'm gonna eat this. I just wanna show you what it looks like. Remember, it doesn't matter how much chicken you use, however much chicken you need to get to your protein goals, go ahead and put that in. But the only way to know that is you got to track it. Okay, so if your diet calls for 30 grams of protein, then you need to make sure you're getting so much chicken to hit that protein goal. So this right here, so that chicken, that total chicken I cooked was about 10 ounces. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just eat that throughout the day. I'll probably have 2 of these. I might do something else with that chicken. I don't know for sure yet. I might knock out one of those lettuce wraps, but I'm gonna eat this right now. So you know, definitely check this one out. Let me know if you're gonna try it. Keep that Frank's Red Hot. If you like stuff that's spicy, and it's not super hot. It's not gonna burn your mouth off or anything like that, but it will give it tons of flavor, okay? So put it in this wrap, put a little cream cheese on there. It goes great together. And check this one out. Let me know what you think, all right? Let's get better, come on now. Look at the size of that. Man, look at the size, it's falling out. Oh, uh-oh. Man, that's good. Come on now.